Welcome to Pluralsight and this Red Team Tools course featuring sqlmap, the open source SQL injection exploitation tool developed and maintained by Bernardo Demel and Miroslav Stamper. SQL injections can affect applications of any type and are one of the most critical application security flaws. A SQL injection can expose applications to data loss or even lead to server compromise. Testing for SQL injections can be time-consuming and error-prone. When you do find an injection flaw, it can be extremely difficult and tedious to exploit. You'll also most likely need to write custom scripts to exploit the flaw in a useful way. This all eats up valuable time during an engagement. To make sure you're able to provide enough application test coverage, you need to use automation where it makes sense. You also need to use automation tools with care and be smart about it. sqlmap reduces the time spent to identify and exploit SQL injection flaws. It simplifies the entire process of database enumeration and data exfiltration. You can even use sqlmap to gain an initial foothold into the target environment, a foothold you can use for further exploitation. sqlmap is a powerful tool for automating all aspects of SQL injection exploitation. If you're seeking to learn how to use sqlmap to exploit SQL injections on your next engagement, or if you want to learn how attackers can use these same techniques, come join me and learn how to gain initial access using sqlmap here at Pluralsight.